The next thing that we're going to install in this computer editing build is the CD-ROM. I'm going to show you how easy they have made this. So we have 3 bays of the 5 1/4. We just unlock that, boom, done. We take the CD-ROM out, and as long as we have it the right side up, it's good to go. On the side, we have, it goes this way, break it, there. So we just push it in to our desired location, so it's flush. And now we can push it. See, it clicks into place, done. And that's how easy it is to install a 5 1/4 bay on a Phantom, whatever the heck this thing is.